फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन। गली बॉय एक ऐसी फिल्म है जिसने आते ही धमाका कर दिया है। ये फिल्म ना सिर्फ क्रिटिक्स को बल्कि ऑडियंस को भी भा गई है। फिल्म में रणवीर और आलिया की एक्टिंग की तारीफ तो हो ही रही है, साथ ही फिल्म के एक और एक्टर ने अपनी जबरदस्त एक्टिंग से न सिर्फ ऑडियंस बल्कि बॉलीवुड के महानायक अमिताभ बच्चन को भी दीवाना कर दिया है। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी की। दरअसल हाल ही में बिग बी ने सिद्धांत को न सिर्फ फूल भेजे बल्कि साथ ही एक लेटर भी भेजा है। आपको बता दें कि बिग बी ने सिद्धांत को लेटर में लिखा कि
सिद्धांत गली बॉय देखी और रहा ना गया। किसी भी फिल्म में कलाकार का कैमरे के सामने साधारण रहना सबसे कठिन होता है। आप थे, आपकी अदाकारी पर बधाइयां और स्नेह।
जिसके बाद सिद्धांत ने उन्हें थैंक यू करते हुए एक पोस्ट डाला जिसमें वो फूल और हाथ में चिट्ठी पकड़े नजर आए हैं। सिद्धांत ने साथ ही में एक कैप्शन में एक बहुत ही प्यारा मैसेज लिखा है।
सादर प्रणाम, आपका उपहार और आशीर्वाद मिला जो मेरे लिए काल्पनीय है। इस खुशी की व्याख्या मैं शब्दों में नहीं कर सकता। ये मेरे लिए सौभाग्य और गर्व का पल है और अब बस आपके चरण स्पर्श की कामना करता हूँ।
तो देखा आपने, अमिताभ सिद्धांत के फैन हो गए हैं। बता दें कि फिल्म में सिद्धांत चतुर्वेदी ने MC शेर का किरदार प्ले किया है, जो रणवीर सिंह के किरदार मुराद के रैपर बनने के सपने को पूरा करने में मदद करता है। फिल्म में उनके डायलॉग्स काफी शानदार हैं। ये फिल्म आए दिन बड़ी बड़ी फिल्मों के रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़ती जा रही है। अब देखना ये होगा कि ये फिल्म आगे आने वाले दिनों में और क्या धमाका करती है। वैसे अब आप हमें कमेंट करके ये जरूर बताएं कि आपको फिल्म में सिद्धांत की एक्टिंग कैसी लगी।
जोया, इससे पहले जो आपने फिल्में बनाई, like just chronologically if I have to go, thanks to your films, people like me wanted to go, even with my dysfunctional family, onto a cruise. Then there was the film where Farhan also was there, where I wanted to go with my friends. But this film is raw, it's real, it's got the streets. How did this story evolve? When did you pick up the story to do a film like Gully Boy?
I was editing Dil Dhadakne Do, and my editor Anand Subaya actually showed me a video. So this was 2014. Showed me a video of an artist called Nezi, who was like 21, and he had put up a song called Afat. And that's the first time I actually saw real, authentic, what now is called gully rap. And it was just stuck in my head. And from that moment till now, I mean, it's just been a journey. It just took me where, I mean, I'm here now.
I moved to Alia. Alia, every character that you play, like your dialogues, the delivery, and before I was coming here, Vicky gave you a compliment, Vicky Kaushal. He said, when it comes to lines, when it comes to not being into the whole method, Alia Bhatt, nobody beats her. When you got onto the set for Gully Boy, how is that? Because you were stepping onto an Excel set and being directed by Zoya.
I think it has been one of my most, I keep talking about it, like people need to stop me from talking about how brilliant my experience was working with Zoya, working with Excel. I think they are such a fantastic team. Please like clap for yourself, guys. I've never worked with a better team. They are so on point with everything. And because this film, like you said, is so raw, it's so like it comes literally from like the stomach, you know, from the stomach to the heart to here and then Ranveer. So I really felt that on set. And I mean, I'll talk about my character much later, but it was a crazy ride.
We come to this gentleman now who in the last
one... विक्की से याद है, विक्की पे का रैप सुनेगा क्या? विक्की की आ रेली उरी देखना है जरूरी.
So sweet.
Okay, Ranveer, third time that I'm meeting you in the last year, thanks to your films, right? Last year, this month, Padmavat released, you were in a different zone. Then Simba came, where I again saw you transform. And now I've again seen you transform in a month's time. Bro, this character is close to your heart because rap is something jo hamesha se like you've been very fond of. And then you get this film, it's like, khol do sare ab darwaze, khol do pitare. हाँ?
मतलब मैं सबसे पहले जब भी किसी ने मेरे को गली बॉय के लिए पूछा था, मैंने बोला ये मेरी फिल्म है, और कोई करता मैं जल के राख हो जाता, ये मैं ही कर सकता था, इसीलिए पैदा हुआ हूँ, you know. And it's a coming together of too many things that are very, very dear to me. Rap, hip-hop music, which I've loved since I was a kid. Mahanagri, meri Matrabhumi, Mumbai. This beautiful person here, who is really more than a director to me. She's my friend, confidant. She's so special to me in my life as a person more than a director. These fine gentlemen here, the best in the business. Ritesh is like family to me. We go way back. Our parents go way back. Farhan is, I think, a renaissance man, a creative force of nature who I have tremendous admiration for and have been fielding for him to direct me since 8 years now. Hopefully he'll consider me someday. And this, well, I don't know what to say about her. I really don't know what to say about this. I don't know how she happened to us. We are lucky that we have an actor like Alia Bhatt as a part of our cinema. So yeah, really, too special, too many special things in one thing.
And of course, the gentleman who manages to touch everything and it turns into gold. Okay, we'll start with Fukre last year. Then 2 of India's biggest shows to hit the web, Inside Edge. Now you start the year with a bang with Gully Boy. Ritesh, how are you picking up all these projects and how is it just happening?
I think we are fortunate that these scripts come to us.
Right.
And again, when
I mean, this script was at home, right?
Yeah, and this when Zoya and Rima wrote this, I think the instant, like you say, it's raw. It was so different to her previous 2 films, and there was an instant. I think like because it was so real, you identify with it. So hopefully, like this film will be added to the next time you give me a list of our successful films.
But I'm amazed from the time Gully Boy was announced that Zoya is directing a film which is about the the rap culture of the Mumbai streets. Man, the amount of noise. I mean, today we are here for the trailer launch, but right from the time I think the shoot started, with Divine and Nazy talking about it, the amount of noise it's created, I mean, half the work is already done because people already know this.
Like I was saying, this was an area which was not explored. I think like when Zoya saw it, like she told you when Anand Subaya showed her that video, I think that inspiration and then keeping it true and just keeping it real, I think that's why there's so much talk about it.
Farhan, you remember 2008 where you introduced rock music again to India in a way?
Yes, I do remember that.
Yes, and now you have a script. Yes, and yeah, that's Farhan's trademark humor. Thoda sa ha. But almost 10 years later, now rap in a film, just the fact that there is music involved, does it get you excited when you're reading the script that yes, music is again going to be the forefront?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, music is, I think, an integral part not just of my life, sabhi ki zindagi mein, it plays a very important role. और जब एक मौका मिलता है कि ऐसी कहानी मिले जिससे म्यूजिक ऑर्गेनिकली इतनी जुड़ी हुई हो तो बहुत मजा आता है उस फिल्म पे काम करने के लिए. लेकिन मैं जो कह रहा हूँ वो अलग. आप सबको ट्रेलर कैसा लगा? एक और बार
जर्नलिस्ट सही बोल रहे हैं. बहुत Okay, since you already opened it to their reactions, I think we should now move to their questions. So if you could just raise your hand and I could come to you. Yeah, yes, ma'am, we'll start with you first.
Ravi.
Ji.
Komal, I love you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi, I'm this side, please. Okay. Yeah. I'm Riya from Deccan Chronicles. First of all, a big congratulations to all of you.
Madam, Deccan Chronicle.
Chronicle, yeah, I'm so sorry. Yeah.
कमाल है यार.
ये Facebook पे live जा रहा है.
Oh sorry, पहले बोल देता यार live हो रहा है. मैं बच्चन बंद करता. कमाल है यार. BC बंद करता मैं.
Congratulations for your film entering to Berlin Film Festival.
Thank you.
My question is for you, Zoya ma'am. As we all know, Ranveer's relentless energy and high vibe. Was it difficult for you to calm him down in this movie, to show his quieter side?
No, it's not difficult because Ranveer, I mean, he is the Energizer Bunny, but he's extremely sensitive and he's an extremely... No, he is. He's got a very high EQ. And he's an actor, so he knows what he has to do when he takes this particular part on. It just so happened that he has done 2 films with me where he's not hectic in both.
अगर मुझे कोई लगाम लगा सकता है वो है तू ज़ोया तू.
Yeah. And sometimes you, when you're shooting with him, he does his first take, gets all the energy out, and then from the next take, he kicks in. So you have to allow that.
Yeah. And Ranveer, how was the process of preparing for this, the language and the style for the street rapper?
Yeah, just
how was
me
it?
and my high vibe. Babe, what can I tell you? It was the most fulfilling process, man. You know, just to be amongst the legit, the real boys, you know, the rappers themselves. There's such raw talent. You know, the way they've written, look at what happened with Spitfire, with Nitin. Asli Hip Hop came out and everybody's like, who is this kid? And we're really happy that, you know, we have a very wholesome album that we're very excited to present to you. All of them have contributed towards it. Just interacting with them was one of the fondest memories I'll hold with myself for the rest of my life. In that prep process, in those workshops with them, working on the dialogues with them, collaborating on the music with them, it's an experience of a lifetime.